Hi. Today we'll be discussing about how many number of healings does it take to heal a particular issue and problem. In general, if the problem is, say, recent one, when I say recent one, maybe a week or so, and not a very complex problem as per the modern medical science, then in that case within few healings, I would say 3 to 4 healings, you would see some change. Now if a particular problem is more than 6 months, then in general we do suggest that it will take more than 10 healings to heal the problem. If it is a complex in nature, even though it is just a week old, then again in that case it will take more than 10 sessions. So I'm talking about physical problems. So let's discuss about few more physical problems that are there. So when we talk about say constipation, digestion issues, piles, and gastrointestinal issues kind of thing, so in that particular case it would take say roughly 7 to 10 healings, and you will find considerable changes in your condition. Is it completely cured? Not really. There are changes, as in the way behavior changes, anger control, and anger management thing that needs to be done, because the digestive issues are directly linked to our stress levels. So this is regarding the digestive simple issues that is there. It comes to, say, infection, lung infection, cough, cold, and any kind of infection. Then in that particular case, for infection, it would take say around 5 to 10 days, depends upon how severe is the infection. If there's a very serious one, then in that case it will take more sessions, plus we need to do more than one healing per day in that case. Now when we come to some more difficult cases, physical difficult cases, say for example heart blockage, some clots or blockages observed in the brain kind of thing, asthma, liver cirrhosis, yeah, healing does help in those cases. We have documented case for heart blockage that it has been observed that with regular healings and with healings the blockage size has reduced, but there isn't a guarantee kind of thing that is being given that in this 10 sessions or 15 sessions would be enough. It varies from person to person, but yes, it has been observed that there is change in the blockage percentage for different patients. So it does help even with the brain blockage or the brain cyst kind of stuff that is there, a blockage kind of thing that is there. It has helped. We have few documented cases around this wherein it has helped, but it cases varies from the result of healing, and the number of healing sessions varies as per the age plus the other health issues that a person has. Like for a particular brain case, when the lady was in her 30s, within 15 to 20 sessions, there was a change that was observed in her MRI, whereas she didn't had any other health issues. Now, in a similar case, when the lady was in her 60s and she had BP, sugar, depression, constipation issue, it took more than 35 sessions, but the MRI did show that there was some change, and the improvement were felt for her in her behavior and in the way that she was doing things. So there isn't a specific uh, marked number of healings for different cases, But as a thumb rule, that what in general I follow is that if a problem is not that complex as per medical science, and it's roughly a week, 10 days, 15 days, or a month or 2 months old, then within 5 healings, there should be some change that should be observed by the patient. And if it is more than that old and it's a complex in nature as per medical science, so I do inform people that 10 to 15 sessions would be required for them to see some change, and then they can accordingly take a call based on that whether further healings they would like to avail. Now, these are regarding the physical health issues. Now, when it comes to, say, addictions and other things, I'll be shortly creating another video and I'll be sharing it with you. Thank you for listening.